Next up, it's the mildly diverting intros round. Noel and Martha, here are yours for Simon.
We can stand for this.
Okay, I'm going to stand. Very awkward to stand. Yeah, top with baby in it. Okay, so,
She brought her baby to the...
Yeah, I know.
I wonder there was a green room.
I'm going to try and dance this one out.
Focus more on Martha for this one,
sure.
Yeah.
Right?
Try it up here, less here. Okay.
It's all about a pregnant woman dancing in quite a sexy way.
My dreams have come
Okay.
true. Go for it.
That's how I got pregnant.
Well, I've got no idea. I feel bad asking a pregnant lady to do it again, but... What is it? Is it R&B?
Okay, yeah, exactly. And then think, you know...
Beyonce?
Yes. But
I don't know the song, though. Just she had one about putting a ring on it or putting something in a ring. Is that right?
I like the fact that you said, don't look down here, look up here. No, it was actually Beyonce, Work It Out.
Come on.
I have to say one thing, big inspiration, you, my darling. I've been watching you when I was a baby and whatnot. Wait. No, what's that? What? You know the song where road rage giving me the See? What?
This is awkward.
Am I wrong?
This is awkward.
Am I right or wrong?
I think you think she's someone else.
You think she's Karis Matthews from Gastonia?
You might be smarter than me on this show today, all right? That's it. No, all right, you got
Dappy,
me.
you know the way you come in. Can you go out the same way?
Sorry.
So, next one, please.
Okay. This also requires movement.
Does it require,
Visual aids.
Does it require us
Okay.
looking at anything in particular?
No.
Okay.
Top
Okay.
4 stripes for this one.
Okay, can we start this
Yeah.
already? I feel
1,
ridiculous.
2, 3.
Down and 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 down. Oh, wow and round and down and down and wow and round and
You know it. Are the lyrics? There's something about the lights are on, but no one's home. Your mind is not your own.
Yes.
Yeah.
What's the name of the song?
And who did it?
Yeah. All good questions. All good questions.
The only 2 questions we want an answer to.
down.
Who did the original? Oh, this is frustrating. Very frustrating.
I had no idea a quiz would be like this, I really.
Well, you might as well guess, because, you know...
OK.
Imagine if you just got it.
Yellow Submarine by the Beatles. Is that correct?
I'm afraid it's not correct.
Oh!
It's In My Life by the Beatles.
Is it?
No. It goes over. It goes across, I'm afraid.
Just Addicted to Love.
By
Robert Palmer.
Yes. And it goes like this.